Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel game not launching or won't launch problem on PC, and this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games, go to library, then click on this three dot next to Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel game and then click on manage. Then toggle on the launch options and here type -DX11, then close the tab, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the manage and this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to manage, remove the command from the launch option, turn it off and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second solution is to turn off cloud saves. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the game, then click on manage and then turn off the cloud saves. Then go ahead, launch the game and check. If not working, then again go to manage and then turn on cloud saves and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it, then click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage ransomware protection and then click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you install the game. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel game folder and then select Jotunnslayer exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall and then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open the Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel folder and then select Jotunnslayer exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you're having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website, and if you're having AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website, and if you're having Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it, and then you can launch the game and check. For example, I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website, and once you are on the NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, then select Windows operating system and then click on find. You have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install that. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then click on this exe file and then select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then check mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it, then click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel folder and then select Jotunnslayer exe file and then click on add. Now look for it, expand it, and next to GPU preference, here select high performance and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on manage and then click on this folder icon It will open the game installation folder. Now double click Jotunnslayer exe file and see if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then from here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the game, click on manage, and then click on verify next to the verify files. And after the verification has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to delete Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress. So keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see this app data folder over here, then click on this view, click on show and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local low folder, then open games farm folder. Now here you will see the Jotunnslayer folder. Just copy it and then paste it to desktop first, and then after keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. The link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this website, download x64 version and download x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Now click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. After your PC restart, then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. This is the last solution. So simply uninstall Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel from the Epic Games launcher, then restart your PC and then just reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.